The names of 21 members of the much talked about Joint Committee of Parliament, that is the JPC, tasked with examining the bills for implementing the One Nation, One Election plan were announced on Wednesday. BJP's PP Chaudhary, who's a Lok Sabha member, has been named the chairperson of the panel. The list of 21 Lok Sabha members was finalized on Wednesday, while the 10 Rajya Sabha members will be announced on Thursday. The committee features prominent leaders from various parties, including BJP's Anurag Thakur, Congress's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, TMC's Kalyan Banerjee, and Samajwadi Party's Dharmendra Yadav. The BJP has the largest representation on the committee with 10 members, followed by Congress with 3. One member each from the TMC, SP, Shiv Sena, NCP, DMK, TDP, RLD, and Janasena Party are also included. The government introduced two crucial bills in the Lok Sabha on Tuesday to facilitate simultaneous elections across India. The bills, namely the Constitution 129th Amendment Bill and Union Territories Laws Amendment Bill, were approved by the Cabinet last week. However, the government's proposal has faced criticism from the opposition, which has raised concerns over its constitutionality and potential impact on the federal structure. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal assured the House that the two bills would be referred to the JPC for thorough review. On Tuesday, after the opposition called for a vote on whether the bills could be introduced, the government won, with 269 MPs in favour and 198 against. The Congress, however, pointed out that the government did not secure the two-thirds majority required to pass a constitutional amendment. BJP sources later confirmed that explanations were being sought from 20 party MPs who had been absent from the session on Tuesday. The JPC's composition also includes BJP members like New Delhi MP Bansuri Swaraj, Andhra Pradesh's Anakapalli MP CM Ramesh, Sambit Patra from Puri, and Garhwal MP Anil Baluni. Congress will be represented by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra along with Chandigarh MP Manish Tiwari and Lohardaga MP Sukhdev Bhagat. DMK's TM Selva Ganapati, TDP's GM Harish Balayogi, RLD's Chandan Chauhan, and Janasena Party's Balashori Vallabhaneni are also part of this committee.